Hey guys, today we're doing glasses based on your dating style. Don't shoot the messenger. First up, we've got a pair for all you serial daters out there. No shame in the Cheerios game, you do you. But you're going to need a pair of polarized sunglasses to protect your retinas from the speed of light in which you travel between dates. Next is for those of you running faster than a certain Irish actor in short shorts. Maybe suggest a pair of blacked out sunnies because your date will never know that your eyes are glued to the door. Look, we can't help who we fall in love with, but boy do we highly recommend a good pair of reading glasses because you're missing way too many signs that they're probably, definitely not the one. Look, it's 2024 and I'm surprised that texting hasn't been named the sixth love language yet. You're going to need a pair of these bad boys, some blue light lenses to protect your eyes from all of those double, triple texts that you're sending and or receiving. Now, if you felt called out by this or know somebody that should be, let us know in the comments and we'll personally recommend the perfect pair of glasses. Once again, don't shoot the messenger.